Since this is dry, now we're gonna stipple the ceiling, or smack it as some people call it. Only tools is really needed for right now for stippling the ceiling is some brushes. Any kind of brush you like to have. They come in different sizes and shapes. Get you a pole so you can reach up. Got me some painter's tape to tape everything up. See, everything is taped up, so I'm ready to go. Definitely want to have some safety glasses on, some eye protection, and of course some gloves. And old work clothes. If you don't care about getting dirty, you might have to throw them away. Not much to stipple the ceiling. All you're doing is dipping your brush in your bucket. Just doing that. Just repeating that all the way across your whole ceiling. I already wetted my mud a little bit using the bucket that was left over first. So all you're doing, put it on as thick or as thin as you want it. You may have, wide droppings or thin droppings, however you want it. Look kind of grayish, a light grayish color now, but it'll dry kind of white. You can leave it like that, or you can paint it. Paint it probably best if you got some kind of sprayer. You can paint it better that way. Starting to come together. See, it's coming right along. I'm right here at my light, so I'm about at the halfway mark in the ceiling. And my light is about center of the room. You see where it's thick coming down the wall? I've done that on purpose because I'm going to come back and texture this wall. Same thing I'm doing on the ceiling, I'm going to do it on the wall. I'm going to smack it on the wall. I'm going to come back with a straight edge. I'm going to lightly drag it. Give it a texture on the wall, just like that right there. Some people call it a knockdown or Spanish drag, but that's what the wall is going to be like. See, I take my light box so I don't get all this mud up inside my box around the wires. Make sure I get a little light, little thin right along my light box. That way my fixture will get a little bit more closer to the ceiling, a little bit more flush. If I don't have these so thick, I kind of thin it out a little bit. Ceiling has now been stippled. Now it's time to get to texturing the walls.